Welcome to Bitcoin analysis. Alright, so here on the daily, we have the downtrend on the daily. I rather have the 4 hour, and I will explain that. We have the 4 hour uptrend. It's also a daily uptrend, but I rather have that on the 4. Firstly, we have it here, then here, but on the 4 we have better tests. Okay, the same as the top. Okay, guys, on the daily we still have the uptrend. Okay, after the test of this candle, we are holding it. We have now another support candle here. We are also holding it on the daily, but if we go to the 4, this is kind of turning a little bit bearish. All right, so as you can see here, the light blue, it's the daily. It's kind of almost testing that, but I rather have the 4, okay? Because on the daily, we just have the creation and continuation. We need the third test for a confirmation. It might not even go there if we go down, but that's not a problem, okay? So I will delete that. As you can see here on the 4, we have the creation, continuation, we test this one, and we have the confirmation here, and if not here, we have it here. All right, so I rather have this 4, also because on the daily we can kind of have a little break of the trend on the daily, but we reject the 4 just a little bit higher. All right, so same as the uptrend here, the 4, it's kind of better. We already broke this trend. I had to adapt that because we were testing that a lot of times. I had it here first. Oh, sorry. We back test that. We came down here. We didn't hold it here. So it's just creating a new range. So we have to adapt the trend here. And inside this 4 major trend, we also have this 4. Okay, this is a more interior trend, firstly here, and then we adapt to the second lowest red candle. All right, guys, so we have that over there, and we also have the 1 hour uptrend. It's an even more interior trend, okay, from this bottom here to this one. Okay, and it's now testing a lot of times, so that's why I'm also a little bit bearish, because we are testing that a lot of times. We already tested all the 4 hours here. Only this one, it was not tested, but this 4, it's inside this bigger 4, and I believe that this is tested. All right, guys, this was tested here. We created a new 4 hour here. We are testing that also. So I believe that if we don't hold maybe this 4 again, also as a polarity moment, because after we test the break level here, the price just went up almost 3%. Yeah, 3% up. So this is a good polarity moment, this 4 line here. All right, the yellow. Also on the 4, we had a range trend, not a range trend, an interior trend here. All right, guys, we already broke that. Let me turn that yellow, but I will delete that. We have the interior 4 hour trend. I believe that honestly, breaking this trend, breaking up this trend, we needed at least to go to the top here, but we didn't, not yet. We might go there, but I don't like this as a good resistance level, because we have the 1 hour here. We have the 4 as a polarity there, maybe as a good polarity here, okay? And we with that 4, we also have the downtrend, okay? So the trend and this polarity moment on the 4 might be a good level for a short, all right? But I don't want to predict that right now. I just want to, oh, let me delete this 4, okay? So first on the 4, sorry. Uh, Support, okay, a polarity moment on the past. It had big rejection. As you can see here, we had a little breakdown. We go up 4%. We came down, retest that level, polarity. It went up almost 2%, 2%, okay? And I believe we might see, and we are probably already saw on this rejection, maybe on a lower time frame, maybe here, all right? It's just a 4, but we might see a rejection on this previous support turning into resistance, all right? So if we go to the 1 hour, this all these levels are broken, okay? We already broke that. So if we hold this 1 hour uptrend, we are probably going to attack and break that level, okay? I believe that if we break this level, this polarity, we are probably going to at least 2% up, at least to close to that downtrend, okay, on the 4. If we don't hold this trend, that's the problem, guys. That's the problem, because we already tested this for a lot of times also on the 1 hour, okay, the yellow line. We already tried to broke down. We hold for the second time the 4 hour here. So this level, if we don't have a big rejection on this level, if we break down, we are probably going to break this range, all right, and go to some lower levels. And as I said it before, I don't like this as a for a support. It might still hold, but I rather wait with this with this. Yeah, it's almost 1%, 0.7%. That's too much, so I rather wait for this 4 hour. And I can also turn this as a polarity moment here. All right, it was a big move up after the test. We might not even go there. We might just test the trend on the 4 and all that, holding this 4 hour. Yeah, we might hold this 4 hour actually. Seeing that on a, let me mark this as a 4, and let's see if we are going to have a reaction on that. So, because we have a trail here on the 1 hour. We have the 1 hour here, right? And we have the trail as a support, okay? So we have a trail here, and it's also the base of this 1 hour. So if we hold this 1 hour, we can still adapt this one to here, and that's the same as that 4, okay? As you can see that. So I want to wait and see if we are going to hold the 1 hour. We might not hold the trend. We might have a little deep dive. We have a good polarity moment here on the 1 hour and on the 15. We also have this 1 hour here as a support. So this range, it's let me see the spread here. Yeah, it might be a good level for a long position. Yeah, but we still have the 4 hour uptrend there. So this might be a good scalp. But I rather wait for the test or a little bit higher of this dash level on the 1 hour, the white line, and with the 15% spread on 100 leverage. Yeah, this might be a good level for a long position. Okay, even if we just go to the polarity there and reject, that's not a problem, because the percentage here it's above 100%. Yeah, that's good. We might see a rejection on this one. I don't want to say that because we are kind of trying to break down the trend, the uptrend, sorry. We already tested this so many times. It's probably going to break down. I want to see if we are actually going to hold these levels. This actually might be good levels for a long position, guys. I don't want to call that for you, of course. You do your own risk and your own trades. Yeah, I can even go to 20%. And the profit, it's at least going back to retest the trend here, the backside of the trend. So at least 1% probably. If we have a good rejection here. All right, so this is my possible long position as a scalp here, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna delete this. I don't want to call that for you guys. you do your own levels and trades. All right. So I believe I talked about everything for Bitcoin. On the 4 hour, this range was turning really bearish, but after breaking this top here, if we don't reject this, we are probably going to at least the downtrend over there. And if we go to the downtrend, since we already tried to break that and we have tested that 3 times, we can easily break up the trend and try to go to a new all-time high. Okay, but still, for now, we still are kind of low on volume here, so we have to wait. We have to wait, guys. I already call everything I have to say for Bitcoin for the next hours. So see you guys tomorrow on Bitcoin analysis. Thank you.